We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, continuing to fight and hold support here. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot at 9:40 a.m. sent out a bear indicator. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So in today's video, we're going to break down the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow, what's going on within these charts, and why this support is crucial here and the resistance in the last 2 days. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run today turned out to be spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to gain this edge and clarity of the charts, you can gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to become part of the community and getting equipped with this edge and clarity over the charts, whether stocks are going up or going down. So the home run today was from our Apple bot. It sent out a notification early on in the pre-market at 7:55 a.m. since the pre-market hours, lasting into the bell and most of the day, and it didn't get canceled with a bull indicator till 3:30 p.m. when things started to bounce back up into the close a little bit. But that bear indicator dominated over these charts, and put options went up 250% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now get connected. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators and getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a community of members all looking to learn and grow together. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, hitting a double bottom here basically, right? When we go ahead and zoom out and look at this from the 30-minute within this volatility, this right here slightly messes up the whole double bottom picture here, right? Because on the 30-minute, there's a little bit of more volatility. But if we zoom out and look at this from the 1 day, you could see it right there. So if this turns out to hold support, this can create a double bottom effect here and try to retest key resistance levels. It's going to be crucial for support to hold. If not, this could be the break of a possible new support or retest of the recent lowest levels back down here near the 578 level. Now, if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, back under a bear indicator here at the 589 level. It needed to retest and break through 591, and this is the resistance up here, the 591 level that rejected in the pre-market on Tuesday. And this is why this is crucial, because there's a tight range here of bull and bear indicators, and if this bear indicator continues to hold and it breaks through support, that domination can roll over into bigger time frames, right? And even the shorter time frames. We could see it here on the 15-minute. It's sitting under a bear indicator, lasted all day, full transition on 42 vision. And when we zoom out on the 1 hour, there's been a bear indicator that has dominated since up here at the 599 to almost 600 level, right? And we've hit multiple dip areas on the 1 hour. Could this be a double bottom here like we saw on the 1 day? And also creating the effect here of finding a huge support in bigger time frames like the 1 hour and even up towards the 4 hour, right? It hasn't hit a double bottom here. There's a lot of room here if it breaks through the 584 level, which we've been watching. And that's where the last bull indicator popped up. That's now been canceled by a bear indicator at 594.34. And this is where it becomes crucial. This tight range that we're seeing on the 30-minute that needs to hold. If that gets broken through, it's going to be critical to not ignore if outflows continue to follow as well. Now, on the 1-day chart, there's been a bear indicator since up here at the 606 level, and it's creating this effect here of holding support and fighting to stay above 584, 580, 582. Those are crucial levels here to not ignore, and we're sitting up here near 586 to the 587 level in the aftermarket hours. So this bear indicator here has now canceled the bull indicator from down here at 572. We're back down here near crucial levels where things pulled back and then did the next leg up, which was around 584, 585, and this is why this support is to not be ignored. Now, if this bear indicator continues to hold and the larger time frames as well, I'll be watching the first support of 585 to 584. Then below that comes 582 to 580. To the upside, it's going to need bull indicators on the 30-minute and also on the 1 hour. Cancel it out, and also on the 4 hour to justify any move to the upside. Because if these bear indicators do not get canceled, it does not justify any move. It can reject and bring itself right back down, especially if no bull indicator and inflows do not follow. And the first resistance is 590 to 591. Then above that is 595. And then I'll be watching the 598 area. So those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators, I would not ignore them. And the inflow versus outflows are going to be crucial. They need to start crossing upwards and up towards the midpoint and breaking through it to justify any of these moves, followed by bear indicators getting canceled with bull indicators, as we saw here and we've seen previously in these charts. If you guys want to gain access to the 42 vision indicators, the link is down below in the description. You can now get connected to it to gain the edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility. We look forward to having you join us. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.